na baka naman hindi tama ang payo sa aking kapatid. Alam po ninyo, technically, I think the President is absolutely right that in fact, once the bill has been endorsed to him and it's already on his table, all he can do is to veto line by line the budget. However, the reality is that time and again, as mentioned under the Anti-Agricultural Economic Sabotage Act, as well as the Magna Carta for seafarers, time and again it has occurred that the executive has enjoined the legislature to take a second look at their BICAM report when it is unacceptable, perhaps unimplementable, or otherwise requires further study. Pwede naman pakiusapan yan. Maliwanag naman yan eh. At saka, ang hirap kasi sa veto, mauuwi sa zero.